Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can set a photo as a wallpaper on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In the settings you want to go to Wallpapers and Style and then choose Wallpapers. Now over here choose Album. You should see the list of all photos that you have on your device and choose the photo that you want to set. Then press this check in the top right corner. Now we also have some customization options. We can move the photo around. We can also enable the scrollable wallpaper, so that when you scroll through the pages in the home screen, the wallpaper will also move a little bit. We also have the blur option, and you can also see the preview in the lock screen and the home screen, how it looks like. Once you are certain that you want to set the wallpaper, press apply to, and then you can choose where you want to apply it. I'm gonna choose home screen. And after a few seconds, we should be able to see the wallpaper, the photo set as the wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!